Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where these red and green lines are coming from. And I'm not patting myself on the back here, but I am going to pat charts on the back. I mean, the power of charts, and this is why I laugh when people say charts don't work or, oh, they don't apply to cryptocurrencies. I mean, this thing played out basically perfectly, and it's currently playing out almost perfectly. The one adjustment I do want to make, though, now that we have more data, is it seems as though this shorter-term level of support is actually down here right around the 8,300 mark. I've been calling it 8,400. And I mean, it's not like that's wrong because it's still within the range. But like I said, now that we have a weekend's worth of data, you can see just a whole bunch of times the price was down around here at 8,400, or excuse me, 8,300. So that's where the level that I would call, kind of that key zone of support right down there at 8,300. But the pressing thing right now here is more so kind of resistance levels now as we go into the next 24 hours. I say 24 hours because A, the crypto markets are open 24/7, and B, I'll be back 24 hours from now to update things. So for the next 24 hours, the main thing that stands out, and this is by no means some sort of secret great discovery on my part, anybody that used charts is going to be wondering the same thing, is can the price actually get up through this area of resistance? And that's what I was talking about earlier about padding charts on the back. I mean, for those of you that did watch the video on Friday, I talked about this pink line here, the 200 period, being that shorter term area of resistance. And you can see over the weekend, right there it started, try to get above it, rejected. Later on, bounced, rejected. And then as we speak right now, as the chart continues to unfold, it's battling that pink line there. But it's also kind of a double whammy now because now you also have that red line and the pink line essentially, being the same exact value right up around 8,800. So in the very short term going forward, 8,800 is that near-term level of resistance. If the price can push up through there, the next key levels to keep an eye on are going to be that purple line there, the 50 period, and then also up here at 9,000, which is being represented by that red line right there. So the price has definitely made a very, very nice bounce a few hours ago when that candle there formed, and now the price is doing a little bit of consolidating right below these areas of resistance. So who knows, maybe 24 hours from now when I come back to update the chart, the price will actually be up here above 9,000, but there's no doubt about it. Powerful move here, now consolidating, and it's all about, can the price in the short term break up above 8,800? We shall see, but I'll see you back 24 hours from now. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.